everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be about Colorcl's new releases that will come out on December 13th. And these 3 new colors that they're adding to their line are going to be a part of the Siesta original collection. So let me show you what they look like and tell you a little bit about them. So as I mentioned, Colorcl is going to add 3 new colors, which are going to be the Parrot Green. So Colorcl is going to add 3 new colors to the Siesta original line that they have. The 3 new colors are going to be Siesta Original Parrot Green, Siesta Original Rose Pink, and Siesta Original Ebony Blue. So I'm pretty sure you all know what Colorcl's website looks like. I'm going to show you right here in case you are new and haven't seen it before and are interested in wearing colored contact lenses. So here's what their website looks like. And they were sweet enough to give me a discount code for you all. I'm going to put it up on the screen right here. It's Lizette 10 and it gives you 10% off your order. And so the 3 new colors, as I mentioned in the outset. So the 3 new colors, I'm going to now show you what they look like with artificial lighting or my ring light, in room lighting, and of course in the natural sunlight. So here is what the new Siesta Original Parrot Green contacts look like with artificial lighting, in room lighting, and in natural sunlight. Here is what the Siesta Original Rose Pink contacts look like with artificial lighting, in room lighting, and in natural sunlight. And last but not least, here is what the Siesta Original Ebony Blue contacts look like with artificial lighting, in room lighting, and in the natural sunlight. So it was another cloudy day here in New York City. I'm getting so tired of all this cloudy weather, but it is December here. So it's mostly cloudy in December. So it was cloudy, so I couldn't get natural sunlight pics. But follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to put my handle right here because I will be showing what these contacts look like in natural sunlight once the sun comes out. So I will be updating you there as well as on my community page. So check that out and check me out on Instagram. So now let me show you which ones were my favorite in order from most favorite to least favorite and show you up close shots as well as usual. So for my favorite, it had to be the Siesta Original Parrot Green. I love these green contacts. It's the ones that I have in right now. You guys know I love green, I love brown, I love hazel color contacts or hazelnut colored. Anything in that line I absolutely love. So when I saw these and put them in, I was like, oh my goodness, I love these lenses. Up close, they are a very, very nice blend of like a light lime green going into a medium green, and towards the outer rim of the contacts, it's more like a little bit darker shade of green. I absolutely love the blend of green. I think it looks very, very natural in natural lighting, and I think they look very, very natural, especially in room lighting. Like, you can't even almost tell that these aren't my natural eyes, so I do love that about them. And I can't wait to see how they look like in natural sunlight. In the natural cloudy lighting, if you will, here, they do look very, very natural and very, very close. Not to my own eyes, but they give my own light brownish eyes a nice pop of color, if you will. They blend very, very well. They are opaque. All of these lenses are opaque, so I will say that. So I'm pretty sure if you have dark eyes, I don't think these lenses will be a problem for you. I'm pretty sure they're gonna, you know, make your eyes pop and look nice as well. If you have light eyes, these lenses are very opaque, so just keep that in mind. And they are very, very comfortable, as with all pretty much Colorcl's lenses. The lens itself is extremely thin. It reminds me a lot of the creamy line. I love a thin lens. You guys know that, I'm pretty sure too already. Let me show you the specs real quick. It's gonna be like this. They're going to come out on December 13th, so just keep that in mind. You can use my coupon code. These are going to also be $15, so I love that they are affordable, just like all of their other lenses are pretty much. And yeah, so let me tell you the second one. So the second pair of lenses that I like was the Siesta Original Ebony Blue. I think the blue was very, very nice. I think it was blended very well. It's like a lighter blue, and then as it's going towards the outer rim of the lens, it's like a little bit darker, like a little bit of a navy blue. But the blue is very, very nice. It's a nice blend. It is very, very opaque. So you guys know I don't really like opaque lenses, but I feel like these in the natural lighting, they look very, very natural. They look believable, but I'm just not a big fan of blue lenses. They're not like my go-to lenses. Maybe if they had like a pinch of gray mixed in with them, oh, they would have been great. But blue lenses aren't exactly my favorite, but I did like these. Now let me tell you the last pair. As you guys know, my least favorite is the rose pink. I'm not a big pink fan for lenses, simply because it can almost make your eyes look irritated and red. So it's like, I don't really like pink lenses. Now the lenses that I do like are the lenses that are pink but aren't so opaque and bright. You know what I mean? They're a little bit more toned down, so you can almost get away with it because they can almost pass for like a really dark brown or a nice, like, what's the color I'm thinking of? Like a cranberry brownish kind of color with just a little bit of pink. That kind of pink is a pink I like. One that's not so bright and opaque. But these, for me, they're okay. Maybe if I'm doing like a festival kind of look or something like that. But they're not my favorite. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about these lenses? Let me know which ones you like the most to the least. And let me know which ones you are interested in getting. Thank you all so much for watching. I really, really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I do appreciate it. Share this video across social media with all of your colored contact loving friends. Again, I will be putting pictures up throughout the week on my Instagram. Make sure you check me out here. I'll put my handle here, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.